Hey everyone, this is Tim from Joysticks Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your joysticks on your controller when you're using Steam. So if we go up to the top left and we can go to Steam right here and go on down to settings. Now if we go on down to controller under here, we have the option to calibrate and advanced settings we can open up. But first we want to go to test input devices right here, and we can determine if we have any kind of stick drift on our stick. So we can move it around, and you can see right here for the right stick there are values indicated when I move it on the screen. Right here you can see it's moving. So you can just test this out and see if you have any kind of stiff drift or some issue with like your buttons or something like that. So we can look at this. We got the rumble option. We can make our controller rumble. I believe this doesn't work. And then we can go on back under here once we test it out. And we want to go back to calibrate our controller now. So let's go to calibration and advanced settings right here. And we have the option to adjust the dead zones on our stick. So if we notice a little bit of stick drift or something, we can just go to the left or right stick and increase this. Now it says you can press the triangle button to test the stick drift on here too. So let's go to my right stick and then press the triangle button. And we can just test this out. Now it doesn't seem like it's doing anything under here. So let's go back here and just test it. So on the other screen, it seems like it works. On this screen, it seems like it doesn't work for me. So, but we can adjust the dead zones here. So it looks like it's giving me the option now for some reason. So I got to move this around and then press triangle for some reason. And then I can test it out. So I can look at it here and it's working. And I can look at the 0 right here and see if I'm going to pass that. So this little white dot needs to be in the little gray area. And it looks like it's fine right there and it's not moving around. So you can just adjust it and look at it like that. But typically I think like 2500 is about good for me on my joystick. But I usually like having no stick drift or no dead zones on mine. And then we got the gyro. You can move this up and down on your PS5 controller, and you can kind of just calibrate it to get it even if you set it flat on a table. We got the output settings. We got rumble. We can turn that on or off. Game rumble if we want. And then we got the LED settings. We can change the color of the touchpad on our PS5 controller. And then we can go left or right. Yeah, and look at this. And it should be calibrated now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Joysticks Studios.